Today, I'll show you how to activate sound on the Waze app. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search icon. Next, go to the settings, then tap voice and sound to open the audio settings. In the sound section, make sure the option is set to on instead of off or alerts only. This allows Waze to provide full voice guided navigation along with important driving alerts. After that, adjust the guidance volume to prefer your level. If you're using Bluetooth, Android Auto, or Apple CarPlay, make sure your phone and your car's media volume are also turned up. Now start a route to test the navigation voice. You should hear turn-by-turn directions and alerts while driving. If you still don't hear any sound, restart the Waze app or update it to the latest version before trying again. And that's how to activate sound on the Waze app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.